Te Anau School, ko Te Lorax ahau. My name is the Lorax. It's the Rāmere, the 21st of August.
No, ko Te Lorax ahau. I'm the Lorax. I speak for the trees. Welcome to the morning report for Sausage Shnizzle Friday.
Let's get into Te kupu or Te wiki. This week's word is hau-hunga, which is Te reo for frosty.
That's hau-hunga, meaning frosty, which was definitely not this morning.
Alrighty, lunchtime activities today. Straight after eating from 12:30, there's sports games on the tennis courts for all years 1 to 4.
There's Taskmaster challenges in room 9 for everyone and good old face painting in room 10 for years 0 to 4. Let's go.
And if you can't remember what's happening, check out the activities whiteboard outside the office at lunchtime.
Okay, school entry and exit points. A reminder to use the gates, please.
Yes, the school office is not an official entry point for students. It's for parents and visitors. Students use the gates. Thank you.
Bus students, thank you for marking yourself off yesterday. Ka pai.
Okay, windy day today. Please make sure you look after all your rubbish and take care of your bits and pieces.
Okay, duty teacher info for all you keen beans out there. Today's duty teachers at morning tea are Mrs. Marsh and Mrs. Gillies.
Well, at lunchtime, there's Mrs. Alba, Mrs. Marsh, Mrs. Fedorsen, Mr. Hunter, Mrs. Mann, and Mr. Child.
Remember, anything you need help out there, go see the duty teacher. They're here to help.
Birthday news, absolutely none today at Te Anau School, but tomorrow in room 10, Isabel is turning 11.
And room 3's Quinn turns 10 on Sunday. Happy birthday to you two and Rāwhānau for the weekend.
Okay, if you've missed any info, check out the notes in the description box below. I'm out. Haere
Ka kite te ra wiki. See you next week. Piki a kiki te tamata.